Welcome to this beautiful demonstration of a child independently exploring the Montessori Pink Tower. The journey begins as the child carefully and thoughtfully brings and spreads out the work mat, setting the stage for focused, hands-on learning. With deliberate movements, the child approaches the Pink Tower, gently lifting each cube. Notice the transition from using a 2-finger grip with the pointer and thumb to a 3-finger grip, and finally the whole hand. This progression not only strengthens fine motor skills, but also lays the foundation for future tasks requiring dexterity and precision. Now, watch as the child begins to explore the cubes. The process starts with a few errors in stacking, as the child tries to find the correct order and balance. This is where the magic of Montessori comes to life. Instead of intervention, the child is given the space and time to make mistakes, reflect, and self-correct. This intrinsic learning process is at the heart of Montessori education, fostering problem-solving skills and resilience. As the child continues to experiment, they discover how to construct the pink tower. This exploration is crucial, allowing the child to engage with the material fully, understanding its properties, and building spatial awareness. The child's concentration is evident as they work through the activity, showing the deep engagement that Montessori materials encourage. After mastering the horizontal construction, the child confidently transitions to building the Pink Tower vertically. Watch how each cube is carefully placed, one atop the other, with a growing sense of achievement. The Montessori Pink Tower is not just a stacking toy, it's a tool for teaching gradation, size differentiation, and visual discrimination, all essential skills for early childhood development. As the tower takes shape, you can see the joy and satisfaction in the child's movements. This is the result of the Montessori method's emphasis on allowing children to learn at their own pace, encouraging them to find solutions independently. The child's ability to correct earlier mistakes without any external guidance highlights the power of self-directed learning. With the tower complete, the child pauses to admire their work. But the lesson doesn't end here. Montessori teaches children the importance of order and responsibility. The child carefully deconstructs the tower and places each cube back in its designated spot on the stand, reinforcing the concept of care and respect for the materials. Finally, the child rolls up the mat with the same careful attention as when they began. This simple act signifies the completion of the activity. Thank you for joining us on this Montessori journey. Remember, it's through activities like these that children develop independence, concentration, and a love for learning. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the Montessori approach.